Life can throw unexpected curveballs our way, leaving us feeling lost and overwhelmed. But fear not, because within you lies the power to rebuild and create a life filled with joy and purpose. Together, we will explore ways to find inner strength, cultivate resilience, and create a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. So get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. In this video, we will explore rebuilding your life, 10 powerful steps to take. Welcome to Moving Up Wealthy, your partner in the journey towards wealth and success. 1. Identify your support system. During challenging times, having a support system is essential. These are the individuals who have stood by you, offering a listening ear, kind words, and encouragement. They understand your strengths and weaknesses, and their presence provides a sense of comfort and reassurance. Knowing who you can turn to during times of rebuilding is empowering. It allows you to reach out to these trusted friends, share your journey, and lean on their support when needed. Nurturing these meaningful connections will not only make your rebuilding process smoother, but also create a stronger network of individuals who genuinely care about your well-being. So take the time to reflect on your friendships and recognize those who have consistently shown support and understanding during challenging times. It's time to rebuild your life together. 2. Reset your mindset. Cultivating a positive mindset starts with practicing gratitude and acknowledging the blessings in your life. This shift in perspective allows you to focus on the positive aspects even during challenging times. Visualization is another powerful technique for resetting your mindset. By visualizing your desired outcomes and envisioning success, you are inviting positive energy and paving the way for achieving your goals. Affirmations play a crucial role in resetting your mindset as well. By repeating positive affirmations, you can rewire your thoughts and beliefs, replacing self-doubt with self-confidence. When you choose to focus on the possibilities and opportunities that lie ahead, you create a mindset of growth and resilience. This mindset will guide you through your rebuilding journey, enabling you to overcome obstacles and embrace new beginnings with optimism and determination. So, take the time to reset your mindset. Practice gratitude, visualize your success, and embrace positive affirmations. 3. Seek professional help. Rebuilding your life can be a daunting process, and it's perfectly normal to feel overwhelmed or unsure. That's why seeking professional help is a crucial step. Don't hesitate to reach out to therapists, coaches, or mentors who specialize in guiding individuals through challenging times. A trained therapist can help you explore your emotions, work through past traumas, and develop coping mechanisms for dealing with stress and uncertainty. A coach or mentor can provide personalized guidance, accountability, and strategies to help you set and achieve goals. Their expertise and outside perspective can bring clarity to your situation and empower you to make informed decisions. Seeking professional help is a courageous act of self-care, showing that you are dedicated to your personal growth and committed to rebuilding a fulfilling life. 4. Zoom out for a broader perspective. When you're in the midst of rebuilding your life, it can be easy to get caught up in the immediate challenges and lose sight of the bigger picture. That's why zooming out for a broader perspective can be a game changer. Taking a step back allows you to evaluate the bigger picture objectively. It helps you see where this moment fits into your life story and understand patterns and themes that repeat. With this broader perspective, you can gain insight and find the motivation to keep moving forward. It inspires gratitude, perspective, and hope, qualities that are essential for navigating the rebuilding process successfully. By zooming out and taking a broader perspective, you can build a clearer and more purposeful path to achieve your goals and make decisions that align with your values. So take a moment to zoom out, evaluate the bigger picture, and embrace a broader perspective. 5. Reflect on lessons learned. When rebuilding your life, it's essential to take the time to reflect on your past experiences. Mistakes and failures are not setbacks, but opportunities for growth and learning. By acknowledging and learning from these experiences, you can gain valuable insights and wisdom that will inform your decisions moving forward. Reflecting on lessons learned allows you to identify patterns, recognize what works and what doesn't, and make informed choices based on your newfound knowledge. It empowers you with the ability to adapt, adjust, and make better decisions as you rebuild your life. Embrace the lessons from your past and let them be your compass, guiding you toward a brighter and more fulfilling future. So take the time to reflect on your lessons learned. Your past experiences hold valuable insights that will support you on your journey of rebuilding your life. 6. Set clear goals. When rebuilding your life, it's crucial to take the time to set clear goals in various areas such as career, relationships, health, or personal development. By establishing realistic and actionable goals, you give yourself a sense of direction and purpose. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps to measure progress and celebrate achievements along the way. Clear goals provide clarity and help you stay accountable to yourself. They serve as a roadmap, reminding you of what is important to you as you rebuild and create a life that aligns with your aspirations and values. 7. Embrace change and adaptability. When rebuilding your life, it's essential to recognize that change is an inevitable part of the process. Cultivate a mindset of flexibility, resilience, and openness to new possibilities. Embracing change means being willing to let go of old beliefs, habits, and relationships that no longer serve your growth and development. It means being open to trying new approaches, taking calculated risks, and embracing the uncertainties that come with change. By embracing change and adaptability, you empower yourself to navigate the rebuilding process with resilience and create a life that aligns with your evolving needs and aspirations. So embrace change and adaptability. Embrace the opportunities for growth, learning, and transformation that come with rebuilding your life. 8. Surround yourself with a supportive network. When rebuilding your life, it is crucial to build a strong support system of friends, family, or like-minded individuals. These individuals can provide encouragement, guidance, and accountability to help you on your journey. They offer a listening ear, a different perspective, and valuable advice to support you through challenges and successes. A supportive network helps you stay motivated, provides a sense of belonging, and creates a safe space for you to share your experiences. So surround yourself with a supportive network. Let them be your pillars of strength as you rebuild your life and strive towards your goals. 9. Plan meaningful activities. When rebuilding your life, it's crucial to engage in activities that bring joy, laughter, and a sense of togetherness. Whether it's a cozy movie night, a refreshing hike in nature, or quality time spent with loved ones, find activities that resonate with your soul. Meaningful activities can rejuvenate your spirit, strengthen bonds with others, and bring a sense of fulfillment to your life. So plan meaningful activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Prioritize moments of joy and togetherness as you rebuild your life. 10. Express gratitude. During the process of rebuilding your life, it's crucial to take the time to express gratitude to those who have supported and understood you. Let them know how much their presence means to you and the positive impact they have on your journey. Expressing gratitude not only strengthens your relationships, but also cultivates a sense of positivity and abundance in your life. So, take a moment each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for and express your appreciation to those around you. The bottom line: rebuilding your life is a transformative journey that requires courage, resilience, and a commitment to personal growth. By taking these 10 powerful steps, you have navigated this process with intention and purpose. You have created a life that is aligned with your truest desires and aspirations. Remember, rebuilding your life is an ongoing process. Continue to cultivate a mindset of growth and seize the opportunities that come your way. So take what you have learned, embrace the possibilities, and create a life that reflects your true essence and dreams. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button to join our amazing community and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post new content. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for more great content. Visit our website at movingupwealthy.com and check out our suggested videos. We'll see you in the next video.